Hello everyone, my name is Felipe Sanchez and I'm going to talk about the day of the little candle in Colombia. Okay, first, where is this holiday celebrated? The day of the little candle is a traditional festival celebrated in Colombia. Next, when is this holiday celebrated? The day of the little candle is celebrated on December 7 and 8. Okay, continue. What is commemorated on that day? The Immaculate Conception of the Virgin Mary is commemorated. Now, cultural importance of the Day of the Little Candles commemorates the moment in which the Archangel Gabriel announced to Mary that she was chosen to be Mother of Jesus. And finally, traditions and activity of the day on the day of the little candles. There are a large number of traditions and to celebrate the day and honor to the Virgin. Although there are the different types of celebrations, most events take place on the night of December 7th. First, light candles and lanterns. The most popular celebration consists on lighting candles and lanterns in front of house or in another public place. These are similar in all cities on the country. Usually start at different times depending of the region. In cities like Bogota, Pereira, Cali, the candles begin to light when night fall on December 7. And while in cities in Caribbean region such as Cartagena, Barranquilla, it is customary to start at dawn at the next day and continue the celebration until dawn. The candles are made of wax and are usually small and of various colors, and the lanterns are created by hand, usually with paper or glass. The creation and decoration of lanterns as a family starting in celebration is also part of the tradition. Sorry. The candles are located in front of the houses, on the platforms or gardens. The lanterns also often places in the streets, garage, gardens, or anywhere in the house, since they can be seen from the outside. In some cities like Medellin and Cali, they are also placed on the banks of the rivers. Next, fireworks. There are usually many events with gunpowder, both in the main cities and small towns. Fireworks can be seen in different parts of the cities. Next, religious celebrations. Special ceremonies to honor the Virgin continue to be important among many Catholic churches. Usually hold at least one ceremony dedicated to remembering the reason for the event, praying to the Virgin, including songs and special prayers. To complement, you can also pay a homage to the Virgin from the house by putting white and blue flags in the window, which represent a welcome and greeting to the Virgin, as well as gratitude for carrying Jesus in her womb. Next, traditional music. As is any Colombian tradition, music is never lacking. The festival of the candle is also characterized by traditional songs that sound every year on the eve of the Immaculate Conception. Most songs refer to the customs of the Caribbean region, but are also heard in other cities. Typical food. Food is also essential during the celebration, be it breakfast down on December 8th or dinner a day before. Although there is no single preferred dish for this day, um, chocolate is usually prepared with buñuelos, tamales, arepas, empanadas, etc. Some families also prepare natilla and other Christmas desserts. The important thing is that food is always shared and generates unity and joy. Thank you so much for your attention.